Hey everybody, Sam Humeid here in San Francisco, California on a really fun adventure. I don't think I've ever done this in all my trips to San Francisco, but we're gonna go for a walk underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. Let's go. Follow me. There's an actual tunnel that goes underneath. You can see all the metal construction and design. That sound you hear is the cars actually driving right above us. You can see there's other access points to other parts of the bridge. I don't have access to that spot, but I do have access to up here. This is really cool. You can see here they're doing, whoa, that was scary. You can see here they're doing some retrofitting. There's the city, there's the water, the San Francisco Bay. Yeah, that's underneath the Golden Gate Bridge.